Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30 days of JavaScript LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to enhance array again, this time by adding a groupBy method that groups elements based on a function. The question asks us to add a method groupBy to all arrays using Array.prototype. So after we implement it, we should be able to write Array.groupBy of fn, and it should return an object where each key is the result of calling fn on an element of the array. Each value is an array of all items from the original array that produced that key. So the important point here to note is fn takes one item and returns a string key. The order of items inside each group must follow the original order in the array. The order of keys in the resulting object can be anything. We must not use lodash's group by. So you can go through the examples. There are in total 3 examples, and now let's see the code implementation. Here is the code, full code. So in first we are adding a new method called groupBy to all arrays. It takes a function fn that gives an element, returns a string key. Over here we create an empty object group. This will store our final grouped result keys of array of items. So here we use a loop. This is the current array instance where we are calling .groupBy on. We iterate through every element in that array. Over here, applying the group function, we call the provided function fn on the current item. Wherever and whatever it returns becomes a grouping key. Over here we check if that key doesn't exist yet in the groups. We initialize it with an empty array, and here we push the current item into the array corresponding to its group key. And at last, after processing all the elements, we return the groups object containing everything grouped correctly. So that's the groupBy problem solved. We learned how to extend Array.prototype again, this time adding a powerful method that groups elements based on the callback function. This is super useful in data processing, analytics, and formatting results. If the video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for the next challenge in our 30 days of JavaScript series. Thank you everyone.